Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in on this video. I have finished my first happy birthday book, and I love her. I really do. This was my first attempt at a soft spine too. It is made, this is felt, and our friend Jenn's Junk taught us how to do this. I'm going to link her video. I don't know that I will do another soft spine. Not that I don't like it. I'm just used to working one way, and I just prefer the other method. This one does lend itself, though, I will tell you, to be in your journal being more flexible, of course. So if that's something you like, consider that when you are purchasing or looking to purchase a journal. My other journal spines are, while they're flexible, they're not nearly this flexible as this, this felt material allows for. So you'll see here I did a charm, and we'll look at it real quick. I just did some goofy little things, including a few little bells, but I'll show you. It's got some little hard candy pieces, a monkey, a butterfly, smiley faces, little ponies on them. There's a little cat, and the cat is here because there's actually a cat in the story too. I gave you one of the little igloo, well, I say igloo, I don't know the brand, but a little water bottle thing, some bows, some iridescent stars, some real fun beads, a disco smiley face. I just tried to make it fun. I just really tried to make it fun. There's also happy birthday on here. So I envision this journal, someone who purchased this journal, being able to document their birthdays year over year. One of the things that I have, I'll pull it so I can show you what I'm talking about. I have a 5-year journal. Now, if the person that purchases this journal, if I have your birth date still in here, because I've used some of these already, and I've given them out as happy mail and different things like that, and different purchases that people have made from me, I will include their birthday page to go along with the little extras that I send. But if I still have your birth date, I will send your birthday page to you. And basically all this 5-year journal is you would take, if your birthday, for example, was April 28th, you would just take and write the year that you're documenting here, and you have some writing space here. So if I have your birthday, this page will also go along as an extra for you. So let's flip through. I don't know what this year is. I think it's in the 60s, but I will tell you that this entire story, not every page was included because some of the pages were actually ripped out when I got the book. It was in pretty rough shape. The book was in pretty rough shape. So the cover was good, but the book pages were in rough shape. You'll see here that I made you a little card here. And we started with the birthday story. Here's a little sparkly tag, and then a vintage birthday invitation. And then this is one of those 3 pocket. I have a die cut that does this for me. And then this little bow here came from Happy Mail from my sister from another Mr. Teresa. Thank you, Teresa. These are ruffles that I made, and just know that because they're cotton, the more that you use this, the more fray you're going to experience in this ruffle, okay? If fray is not your thing, keep that in mind. I forget what birthday line this is. It's an Echo Park, though. I think this one's called Birthday Boy. This one is called Birthday Boy. That's it. And then some other Cartabella paper. And just some off the cutouts from that paper line. And we've got a vintage birthday card here. And I left this as a little tuck with some pre-made ephemera. And another little tuck here. This is paper here. And then this is, what is it? Susie Zoo. Is that? Yes, Susie Zoo. This is a vintage piece of stationery. Made this a tuck. And of course, this also opens up here for more space for you to journal. I left this signature blank. You can do here with whatever you want. A little belly band. Cut off from that paper pack. And then this is again, this is a piece from my friend Teresa. And then you open it up and you've got all kind of little pieces of ephemera in here. This is a fabric piece, some tickets, some washi stickers, a couple. I may put a couple more in there. And then a piece of chipboard. So that is included there. Then this is chipboard here. We did this together. We selected this is a paper bag. So you can open it way up. And these are actually vouchers. So you can fill in the blanks here, use them for journaling space, whatever it is your heart desires. It's your birthday book. Here is another cutoff from the paper pack. And then here, I added some stickers on this vintage card. So some Dick and Jane images, and then this little paper clip with a star at the top. Here is an envelope with a note card, and then this little sticker here, eat cake. I say you eat cake all the time, even if it's not your birthday. And then a little chipboard piece that is an ice cream cone. My friend, we were in a live the other day, and my friend Maddie and Carla and Kelsey, a lot of folks in that live, and if I didn't name you specifically, I'm sorry, but so many people in that live, I'll try to link it here. They helped me put this thing together. Isn't this fun? And so I added a piece of stationery here for you to have something to write on. Then I've got the little typewriter here. It's a tuck for a little tag. And then just put a little happy birthday here. And here is the start of the second signature. You'll see it's 10 pages. The second signature is made up of several different, 10 pages obviously, of colored notebook paper. I wanted to give you plenty of room to document. So this second signature is just that. This is your documentation space. All different colors of notebook paper. So you can just write to your heart's content. And then in the center here is this card. A birthday is like a cat. You wake up one morning and it's right there in your face. Hope it's a good one. And then the other, I should have shown you this. The other signature had the same thing. It was just different color, little bitty plastic buttons. Let me show you. Let me get back to that. These were the pink ones. Okay. So we've got that. And then I just clipped in, this was some leftover paper, so I just clipped it in for you. All the little birthday related stickers or some washi, kind of decorating the pages. And then this one, same thing. See how this is fraying? Okay, so it'll continue to fray over time. Some Dick and Jane book images, and then this large paper clip here. It's not holding anything, but it can, right? And then here's your little puppy birthday card. I thought that was so cute. And you've got a little tuck here that can accommodate a tag. In fact, I have another tag for you. I just made it. Remember those birthday cakes? So that can go there. And then here's a page about a party. So you can document any kind of birthday party you may have. Some more colored notebook paper. This is from some Happy Mail from Teresa again. And then this is a fun little paper clip with a little tulle ribbon. And this is like a big thank you card you can use to document. And then here is your signature, your center signature here. And that again has those same little buttons, just a different color. But these are they're like, they're like time cards kind of, but they're not. As you can see here, they're meant to go through like a little machine. I'd gotten these. I'd purchased those from Maddie. And I just went ahead and decorated them up. I thought that was cute. So you've got that, but these little butterfly wings are also tucks, so you can tuck little notes in behind that also. And it'll stay in place. I outlined with gold paint the outside of that. This is actually a fabric tab. It is. However, I glued this to cardstock, so it's stiff. So you've got both sides of that. Some vellum. Here's another page to the book. Here's another vintage little card, blank on the inside, and I left a little tuck back here. And then on the back here, I had this is some of course, some glitter sparkly paper that I had. So I just made some little belly bands. There were some spots on the back of this page back here. So I just covered them by doing this and making a little horizontal belly band for you. And I left the back intact and just, like I said, 3 signatures outlined here. I'll put your cards back here. I'll have all of this listed, uploaded, and I'll have the link where you can go to my website and if you're interested and see the cost and all that there. Thank you so very much for coming along. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had making and creating this happy birthday junk journal. Thanks, guys. We'll chat soon.